right, welcome back to the channel, my people. Don't forget, with the code TheFLORIDAMan, 10% off myguycollectibles.com any mini GT product. Here's a Kaido House Datsun dragster 510 trunk with a wing. Very sick, amazing car. Any mini GT product, 10% off with the code TheFLORIDAMan, myguycollectibles.com. All right, pretty cool, guys. We got the Knight Rider 2 car set. So at least I got something for the Florida man, but yes, we're still gonna look for more. That was the first time I've seen them. Somebody did get the Nissans. No big deal. It happens, right? It happens. So we will see them again. I'm not worried about it. Doing a little Wally check. You never know about these Hondas, man. I am checking. All right, we have an M2 box over here at the Walmart. Wow, someone was doing some organizing. What's all this? I got nowhere to put the box. I guess we'll just put it right on the floor. But it's going to be model kits I already saw. So, you know, the Silverado will be in there. Oh, there's more green lights. They got a bunch in. Or, well, a box. Is there another Corvette somewhere? Is there another Corvette, or is that the Corvette? Did someone get the Corvette? Wait, there's more down here. Okay, yeah. We're good. All right. No chase. Always check the base just to be safe. Yeah, I don't see any cool bases. All right, no big deal. Oh, dude, no way. There's two Chevys, but they're the mains. Huh, that's interesting. We've only seen one everywhere I've gone. Maybe they found a chase. Oh, dude, I'm missing all the chases. Yeah, what do you know, right? Two of the Chevys. Oh, and there's two of these also. Well, whatever. Who knows? It's all good. It's just fun to open new things. All right, let me hang this up. Ooh, the hood's open on this one. What's in there? Oh, nothing. You have to put the motor in. Check it out. Yeah, you actually have to put the motor in there. There's only one in this kit. Usually there's two. All right, I did get permission. The store manager said, Chris, see what we got, check it out. If there's room to put it out, put it out. Otherwise, we have to wait, which that's the rule. If there's room on the pegs, put it out. Otherwise, you know. So that's just the way it is. But it's all good. We're looking now. Dude, what is that? 164 Johnny Lightning Pop Culture? Dude, it's huge. This box is huge. Oh, there's 12. They're all in there. Heck yeah. Dude, what is in here? Johnny Lightning Pop Culture. It's got a dude. What if it's the Charger? I'm so excited, man. I haven't cracked a Johnny Lightning case in a while. So they do come in one master case with two sets in each of the master cases. So I do have to open that one and then get these little guys out of here. We're gonna do the upside down trick so nothing gets damaged. But there they are, guys. What do you think's gonna happen? You think we're gonna get it? You think we're gonna get the lightning? All right, here we go, my people. Let's just do a little easy cut because I don't want to damage anything inside of there. I need two hands. All right, two hands. Probably wasn't even. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, it is Monopoly. Dude, there's the Charger, but it's the regular color. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, well. Whatever. Oh, it's nice. It's a case. Dude, it's so nice. Case fresh. Oh, I like it. What else? Oh, we got the Lotus. First time I get to crack one of these cases. That's pretty cool. Got the Knight Riders today. Checking another Johnny Lightning set. This is the second time. No lightning on the Ed Roth. Oh, what a shame. It could happen. Nothing. Boxes of mains. Oh, there's the Black Beauty. Oh, could you imagine? All right, box number 2, my people. I'm just going to go straight for the Ratfink because I have seen that. Oh, it's just the regular. All right, well, it happens. It's okay. So anyway, we're just gonna take a look. Red Clue, yeah, regular Mustang, regular Lotus, no Lightning for the Florida Man this evening, all good. That Daytona has weird wheels, so I am gonna get one. I'm definitely gonna get one more. And I'm gonna leave the Ed Ross. I already got the 2. Good to go. Well, we also have, dude, how cool was that to check out the Johnny Lightnings fresh? Would have been great to see the Lightning, but they're so rare. 957C Matchbox cars, moving parts, I'm guessing. Does it even say? It should say. It doesn't say. Yeah, it's got to be moving parts. And next on our Diecast hunt, moving parts, Range Rover 2-door in green. So right here, $247 right now, unless that price tag is wrong, which is possible. Mazda MX-30. Have we seen these before? Is this a newer MX-30 again? I'm not sure. Yeah, I think we have. I don't know what that said. Divco? What's a Divco? Never heard of that brand. Oh yeah, the Corvette Stingray giveaway for sure. Opening hood, yeah, 1 per case. Fire truck, definitely leaving the fire trucks. 2 of the Range Rovers, 2 fire trucks, a Divco, 2 of the Mazdas, and the Stingray. We'll use it as a giveaway. If you remember, I got the BMW moving parts car, dude, videos ago, maybe a month ago. I got that car to do a giveaway with. So let's I'm gonna get this for a giveaway also. All right, my people, how cool was that? We got to check a fresh Johnny Lightning Master case. No chase, but whatever. It was still cool to crack a fresh Master case. We're doing okay on the Hot Wheels Supers, but the M2 Chases this year, last year was the opposite for the Florida Man. I was able to get a lot of M2 Chases, but you know, I got some Supes, but not every one for the whole year. All right, what is the chance that we come to another Walmart and see another fresh Master case? I guess it's pretty good. Hey, car, we just got you in the 2-pack. Good to see you, man. There is nothing, dude. There is no white lightning between 2 cases. Come on, man. It's so crazy, man. The Florida Man is killing it on Supers, but the white lightnings are just, you know, eluding me this year. I mean, yeah, we got the ultra red 4-pack. I know. Rat Fink. I mean, I'm just gonna leave them all. I'm gonna leave them all. Let somebody else enjoy some main lines. All right, my people, that is it, dude. I've done a lot of hunting in this video, and don't worry, we will stay on the hunt. Definitely want to look for the 2-car Nissan Pats. Oh my people. Wait, everything is here except for the Night Riders. Did she maybe not put everything out? Definitely want these. Fair ladies, didn't get those. I do not care about this Lancia Audi thing. I'm gonna leave that. The dealership liked it though. They did get it. Ooh, there she is, the premium 2-car. That's so cool, man. I'm actually excited to get that. I did want to get those for the collection. Put the rest of this stuff back. Wow, lots of Ultra Hots. Ooh, we got Matchbox. Wow, there's the white Miata. Ooh, that Auto World. None of the 4s, none of the 2s. Oh, I did find the gentleman a chrome spoke bike. So now we can have both versions, both variants. So many Ultra Hots. The corners are trashed. I can see on all of them that they're trashed. Nothing going on here, but I did find a bunch of JK's cars up on the checkout lane. So I am gonna ask if they were all put out or what. She said she put all of these out, so maybe somebody grabbed the 2 Night Riders. We know for sure it's only 2 now. After seeing 3 of the Lancias and 3 of the Z's. So yeah, I don't see them. Maybe somebody grabbed them. It's fine. I only wanted the 2. I'm not going to go nuts on those 2 packs anymore. I got all those Skylines, and I put them even like $10 cheaper than eBay, and maybe a few sold. So this wasn't worth getting so many for people. So yeah, my people, this is the case after the Super Chase case. It's like they got this case before, they never got the Super Chase case, and now we're back on this one again. That's just sad. Right, that was the only reason I came to the store, was to get these 2 packs, because I wanted the Nissans. I'm gonna run to the post office, and then later tonight we're gonna hit the Wallies. I've been hitting them hard. It's making me exhausted at night. I can see it in the videos. I even look tired, but we got to keep pushing. I'm gonna buy some coffee right now. Excellent reminder. So like I thought, the JKs did not get fully pushed up here in the check lane, so they're grabbing the remaining cars for me now. We got a JJN, and yep, there is the Mustang. That's the one that I wanted to see. What's gonna happen? Oh, and a Jaguar with an H case card. What's gonna happen? Both mains. Darn, that's got an H on it and everything, dudes. I was so excited. I guess in another video, there is an error card where there's a main line on a Super Treasure Hunt card, and I missed it. It would have been cool to get because it has like the symbol down there and stuff, but whatever, it happens. So keep an eye out, guys. This main does come with the Super Treasure Hunt card.